Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log in to Google Drive. Access files and documents step by step clearly. Open a web browser on your computer or open the Google Drive app on your phone. In a browser, type Drive, Google, into the address bar and press Enter. If you see the Google sign-in page, click the email or phone field. Type your Google account email address, then click Next. Type your password carefully, then click Next to sign in. If you forgot your password, click Forgot Password and follow the recovery instructions on screen. If you use two-step verification, enter the code from your phone or Authenticator app to continue. After signing in, wait for Google Drive to load your main Drive page. Look at the left side menu and confirm you are in My Drive for your personal files. Click New on the left to see options like Folder, File Upload, and Folder Upload. To upload a document, click File Upload and select the file from your device. To upload a whole folder, click Folder Upload and choose the folder you want. To create a new file, click New and choose Google Docs, Google Sheets, or Google Slides. Use the search bar at the top to find a file by typing its name or a keyword. Press Enter and review the results list to locate the correct document. Click a file once to select it and see basic details in the preview panel. Double-click a Google Docs file to open it directly in a new tab. For non-Google files like PDF or Word, double-click to preview or open with a compatible app. To download a file, right-click it and choose Download from the menu. To organize files, drag and drop them into folders inside My Drive. To rename a file or folder, right-click it, choose Rename, type the new name, and press Enter. To share a document, right-click it, click Share, and enter an email address or copy the link. Choose the correct permission level such as viewer, commenter, or editor before sending. To access files shared with you, click Shared with Me on the left menu. To see recently opened items, click Recent and select the file you need. To restore deleted items, click Trash, right-click the file, and choose Restore. On mobile, open the Drive app. Tap the profile icon to confirm the correct account is selected. On mobile, tap the plus button to upload, scan, or create a new document quickly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.